Have you ever wondered why Paris is often referred to as the City of Light? The answer lies not only in its literal illumination, but also in its rich history and cultural significance. This city, known for its romantic ambiance, is a beacon of enlightenment, its streets echoing with centuries of intellectual and artistic conversations. Begin the journey with the city's historical landmarks, each a testament to Paris's storied past. The Eiffel Tower, an emblem of Paris, stands tall, a symbol of French ingenuity and elegance. Notre Dame, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, whispers tales of the past, while the Arc de Triomphe, commissioned by Napoleon after his victory at Austerlitz, stands as a monument to those who fought for France. The city's commitment to art is evident in its world-renowned museums. The Louvre, home to Mona Lisa, and Musée d'Orsay, housing the world's largest collection of Impressionist masterpieces, are must-visit destinations for any art enthusiast. But Paris isn't just about the past. It's a city that thrives in the present, a global capital of fashion and cuisine. The Champs-Élysées, with its luxury boutiques, is a paradise for fashionistas, while food lovers will rejoice in the city's culinary scene, from quaint cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants. Paris's love for alfresco living is evident in its serene banks of Seine and numerous gardens and parks, offering peaceful retreats within the city. As it gears up for the 2024 Olympics, the city is buzzing with excitement and transformation, enhancing the quality of life for its residents and the experiences of its visitors. In summary, Paris's enchanting streets, rich cultural tapestry, historical grandeur, contemporary elegance, and vibrant lifestyle make it a city that continues to captivate hearts. Whether it's the allure of its iconic landmarks, the sophistication of its art and fashion, the delight of its culinary scene, or the tranquility of its outdoor spaces, Paris remains the #1 visited city in the world, a beacon of light that continues to shine. Who's number 2? Stay tuned for more on the world's 10 best cities of 2024.